To sell an ebook on Gumroad, the process is relatively straightforward. First, visit gumroad.com and click on Start Selling to create an account, which can be done using various methods such as Google or Facebook. Upon creating the account, you will be welcomed to Gumroad, where you can utilize the platform completely for free, albeit with a 10% transaction fee. The next step involves clicking on Create Your First Product and selecting Ebook as the product type. You will then need to enter the name of your ebook, set a price, and choose a currency. For instance, you could set the price at €20. After clicking Next, you can add a description, a link to your ebook, and even a custom domain if desired. You will also have the option to upload a cover image and a thumbnail that will appear in the Gumroad library, Discover, and Profile pages. The crucial part of the process involves going to the Content section, where you can either write your ebook directly or paste it into the provided field. Once you have completed this step, click Save Changes and then Publish and Continue. Your ebook will now be published and visible. If you wish to display your ebook in a specific section, you can create one and add your product to it. This section can include details such as display reviews, text, and categories. After completing these steps, you can navigate to the Product section, where you will find the link to your ebook. This link can be shared with potential buyers, who will be able to view your ebook's details and purchase it. However, it is essential to note that Gumroad charges a 10% fee on each sale, meaning that for a €20 ebook, you would incur a €2 fee. While Gumroad is a viable option for selling ebooks, it may not be the most economical choice due to its transaction fees. An alternative platform offers a free plan with 5% transaction fees, significantly reducing the costs associated with selling digital products. This platform also provides better features, such as the ability to create a custom website, making it a more attractive option for those looking to sell ebooks. With its digital download feature and free sign-up process, this alternative is worth considering for those seeking a more cost-effective and feature-rich solution. Ultimately, the choice of platform depends on your specific needs and priorities, but it is crucial to be aware of the available options and their associated costs.